Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll discuss the third variant, section A of your mid exam. So here the first problem is about the complex equation. Here we are given the equation x plus 5 plus iota y plus 2 is equal to 5 plus iota 2. And we need to find the values of x and y variables. Here actually this is a complex equation. On each side of the equation we are given the complex number in the form of a plus iota b. Now here you can see that as this is a complex equation, we can consider it like this. Now on each side of the equation we are given real and imaginary parts, and in order to find the real and imaginary part, we need to equate on each side of the equation those parts. So here this is real part, it's a imaginary. Again on the right hand side it will be a real and it is imaginary. Now in order to find the x variable, we can equate these real parts on each side of the equation. You don't really need to write these parentheses as well, so you can simplify this for the variable of x by subtracting 5 on each side of the equation, and you will end up with the x equal to 0. Now for the imaginary, for y, you need to equate the imaginary parts. 5 plus 2 is 2. Now here again we don't need to really write these iota on both sides because eventually they'll be cancelled out. And now we will simplify for the variable y by subtracting negative 2 or subtracting 2 or adding negative 2 on both sides. We will end up with the y equal to 0. So this is the solution of this complex equation, and the right option will be B. Now we'll consider the next